Dear students, hope you are fine. Please open your English books. As you know that we have read our poem The Skylark, and today we will be doing its very important exercise. This exercise is about tenses. The tenses past, present and future. We have been interacted with these three tenses from our grade 1. All the sentences which we are reading in our books, they revolves usually around these three simple tenses. So here we will recall our memory while doing this exercise. Okay. Students, in this exercise, they said say whether the verbs in the sentences given below are in the past, present or future tense. As you know that whenever we talk about past, this is something which has happened in the past, okay? And the presence of second form of verb let us know that this is a thing that has happened in past. And what is the clue about present tense? When we are talking about present simple tense, the things are happening in a usual and normal routine, right? For example, the sun rises in the east. I every day go to school, or I eat my breakfast early in the morning, like these kinds of routines. And when we are talking about future, we use will and shall with first form of verbs. So these are the few things that we can keep in our minds while doing this exercise. The first sentence is, she went to the circus last week. So as I told you that in simple past tense, there is always the presence of second form of verb. Students, remember, whenever you are doing such kind of exercises, just keep your eyes on the verb, that which form of verb is used in the sentence and which helping verb is used in the sentence. These two things will let you know about the particular tense. So this sentence is about past simple. And one more thing, the last week here is also letting us know that something has happened in past, okay? She usually goes to the circus when it comes here. This usually tells us, and the first form of verb with es is also letting us know that something is happening in routine. So this is our present simple, okay? The third one, what is she doing now? As I told you that you will have to keep in your mind, focus on the form of verb or the helping verb. So, is RM plus ing with first form of verb is telling us that this sentence is of present continuous tense. What is she doing now? In present continuous, something is happening right now, okay? She's doing her washing. Next sentence. She's doing her washing. Again, this is present continuous. Why? Because she is plus first form of verb with ing is telling us that something is still continuous. E sentence. Will she come to the cinema with us? As I told you that future sentences will always be having will or shall with them. So this is simple future. Okay, come to the next sentence. She'll come if you ask her nicely. She will come if you ask her nicely. Again, we will see which form of verb. This is first form of verb with will. So this is again future simple tense. Right? G is, I'll go and ask her tomorrow. I'll go. Which form of verb is here? First form of verb with will or shall, and ask her tomorrow. And tomorrow also representing something that is going to happen tomorrow. So this is again future simple. The last sentence is, I'm doing my homework now. So which form of verb is here? First form of verb with ing plus am as a helping verb. So this let us know that this sentence belongs to present continuous tense because something is happening now. Something is continuously happening right now. So this is all about this exercise. Students, turn to the next page. In this page 49, this is almost the same exercise which we did in the previous page. But here you will have to contribute little more from your side. How? They said write sentences of your own using the words below and the tense shown in bracket. Okay. So they have given us clues. They have told us about which particular tense this sentence belongs to. The rest of things we will do ourselves. Okay. So first one is A exercises. They have given us word go school. And they want us, see in the bracket, general present. Means simple present. They want us to use these two words while remaining inside the limits of present simple. So the sentence can be, I go to school every day. Right? So every day tells us that this is something simple present, something which is a routine matter. B is go school present continuous. So here we will have to think about present continuous, that in present continuous there is always use of helping verb am, is, and I am and is. So we will use ing with first form of verb. So what will be the sentence here? I am going to school now. When the same words were using with simple present, we said I go to school every day. And if something is happening right now in continuous, so the sentence will be I am going to school now. And the helping verbs is rm will be used according to the need of the sentence, according to the person used. For example, I, with first person I, we will use am with it, okay? And with he, she or it, we will use is, you can say. C is give mother present dash birthday. This is the sentence, and they told us that the sentence is general present. So I usually give my mother a present on her birthday. Okay? I usually, students remember, usually represents present simple. Now represents present continuous. Tomorrow represents simple future. Okay? Yesterday represents something happened in past. So these words are not meaningless. They are meaningful. Okay. D is write letter, uncle, and this is present continuous. So we will write, I am writing a letter to my uncle. If you will not mention right now, even then, am writing is enough to show that something is happening in the present but right now. E is eat a lot of rice Sundays, and they want us to use these words in general present. So we can say, I eat a lot of rice on Sundays. This is telling something about my routine matter. Okay. The last one is wear a new pair of trousers. Present continuous. I am wearing a new pair of trousers. This is present continuous. Okay. Students, hope you have understood the activity. We have talked about present, past and future and present continuous tenses. As I told you that present simple always shares something that happens the routine in routine matters. Present continuous tells us something that happens in present, but that thing is happening right now. That work is continuous. And past tells us something that has happened in past. Okay. So this is all about these two activities. These two activities were very important. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Inshallah, with some other activities of workbook, we will meet tomorrow. Till then, stay blessed.